Good day. Welcome to my channel, Junis Nature. Ni ako karon sa Bilat, San Jose, Dulag Leyte Beach Resort. I'd like to share to you about my poem entitled The Waves. As I sat in a while in the sand and watched on a seashore, waves on the sea keeps moving back and forth, tiny, medium, and big-sized waves folding, then spreading, crumbling, again and again, not stopping. I wonder for a while why its water never increase nor decrease. Its water content still the same, catches the eyes of the onlookers' praise. Unless high tide occurs for a moment, its volume and height increases. When low tide splash at a sudden space, its volume and height decreases, remaining a sandbar after its water loss, and nobody knows where water hides most. Like life, there's always crisis in our existence, no matter how we tried. Sometimes we are full in our own field. Sometimes we are empty, almost dried in silence. It might be financial or emotional. Rich and poor suffer the same feelings of experience. Like the waves of the sea cadence, life is not as perfect as it could look for. For life always follows the law of nature. If you against its normal flow, you cannot long endure, nor capture your big dream, or reach your destined way. Awake, confront, and bravely accept life's reality. Even the powerful and the wealthy, sometimes we cannot escape living in a haphazard along the way. Like the waves of the sea keeps moving back and forth, like life also survive, keeps working day and night, earning a living to his family to provide a continuous support, repeating and repeating its activity, waiting for comfort, to a final call for its supreme majesty, when to end his last sweets and breath, and when to go on high and low tides at the hands on God's Almighty. God bless us all the way. Thank you.